Hey Woodbridge Auto Auction fans, thanks for watching. I'm going to do a quick tutorial, try and do it as quick as possible before someone walks into my office, about our new online auto auction platform. You probably heard Theo talking about it this week. It's big, it's new, it's fresh, it's slick, it's really easy to use, and above all it's fun and reliable. So without further ado, we're going to go to our website, which is wpaa.net. Just go to our website. You can click bid online here at the top. Alternatively, you can go directly to the link, which is bid.wpaa.net. But you can just go to our website, wpaa.net, click bid online. Once that opens up, you can just view all of the lots in the auction every day. We're going to run a brand new auction, so you can view the lots for that current day. In the week they start at 2, on the weekends they start at 1 in conjunction with our live auction. You can browse the inventory. You don't need to register to do this. You can look at every vehicle, you can click on the cars, you can read all of the specs, you can look at detailed pictures of the vehicles, you can check the history reports, you can ask us questions, and we can always just browse inventory, see if there's something you like. When you find something that interests you, you can just scroll down, find a nice car, find something that interests you, you can click on it, check it out thoroughly, make sure it's exactly what you're looking for, and then when you're ready to have a go and bid and try your luck, you can just click on place bid. And if you're not already a member, you can sign up for free. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up and show you how I do that. So I'll go ahead and put my name and email address in here and quickly register, and that means I'm now a member and I won't have to do this again. Yep, that is my email address. Okay, and you register, and that's completely free of charge, and now I am fully registered, so I'll never need to do that again. And again, if I actually want to bid, and I'm certain I want to bid, and I'm logged in now, I can just click on bid, and I will need to input this information, which is my credit card information, and basically once I put that in, I can go ahead and bid. And what I'll do is I will do that right now. Put my phone number in. Okay, put my credit card number in here. Let me grab that out of my wallet. I'm doing this in real time to show you exactly how easy this really is, because I don't want you guys thinking this is cumbersome. Just trying to get my credit card here. Okay. Okay, and then my address. Okay. Oh, whoops, I need to agree to the policy. I need to be over 18. Do that. Okay, now as you can see, I'm not only registered, but I've also added my credit card to the file. I'm going to go ahead and bid on this Honda Odyssey. I'm going to bid 12.5 grand. I think that's fair for the vehicle. I bid. Currently the high bidder on the vehicle. If when the auction finishes and it times out, I am the winning bidder on the car, I'll receive a notification. If I'm outbid, I'll receive a notification. If I am the winning bidder, the credit card on file will be charged $300, which is refundable. It's just a hold on the vehicle, and that'll give me a week to come down, check out the car, drive it, bring my mechanic down if I wish to do so. If I want the car, my $300 will go towards it. If I don't want the car, I'll get my money right back, and I'm good to go. It's no risk, no hassle, it's easy, it's fun. Go online, check it out, and we'll speak to you soon.